Hello everyone, welcome. Today our stick painting works are lipstick and color it. With a black marker, draw a round rectangular lipstick tube. Then a smaller rectangle. And then the red paste. Draw hearts on the tube, small circles. Draw a big lip on the right. We're adding some cute things, diamonds. Look! The simple picture is done now. That's really great. Now let's start coloring. Red. Dark green. Gray violet. Pink. Illuminating. Red. Rose. Orange. Blue. Green. Our work has been completed. It is very beautiful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.